Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever dug through cluttered cabinets looking for the paprika while your pasta is overcooked, today's video is for you. Today we are exploring wooden wall-mounted spice rack ideas, smart and stylish solutions that keep spices organized, within reach and beautifully displayed. From rustic farmhouse shelves to sleek modern grids, these racks turn everyday seasonings into a decorative feature you'll be proud to show off. Wooden spice racks aren't just practical, they're an aesthetic upgrade. Natural warmth. Wood softens the often cold metallic look of a kitchen. Customizable. Easy to cut, stain or paint to match any decor. Durability. Properly sealed hardwoods can last for years, even in a busy kitchen. Eco-friendly. Choose sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood for a low-impact solution. With the right design, a wooden rack becomes both storage and statement piece. Let's start with timeless options that work in almost any kitchen. Number 1. Open shelf rack. Simple horizontal shelves with a small front lip to prevent bottles from sliding. Paint it white for a clean, bright look or stain it for rustic charm. Tiered ladder rack. Slim vertical frame with multiple shallow shelves. Perfect for a narrow wall or pantry door. Number 3. Boxed cubby rack. Individual square compartments for each spice jar. It is neat, grid-like and easy to label. Number 4. Rail and shelf combo. Add a wooden dowel or metal rod underneath the bottom shelf to hang utensils or towels. These classics keep spices visible and easy to grab while cooking. For a contemporary kitchen, try floating shelf spice bar. Hidden brackets give the illusion of shelves floating against the wall. Geometric grid rack. Hexagonal or triangular compartments for a bold architectural look. Slim magnet strip with wooden backer. Combine a wooden panel with magnetic spice jars for a sleek, high-tech twist. Sliding panel rack. A flat wooden face that glides sideways to reveal spices behind. A clean, clutter-free solution. Minimalist designs keep the kitchen feeling open while providing serious organization. For the one who loves more lived-in character. Number 1. Reclaimed pallet rack. Sand and seal pallet boards, then add shallow shelves for a cost-effective rustic piece. Number 2. Barnwood shiplap panel. Vertical planks with iron hooks or leather straps for a cozy farmhouse vibe. Number 3. Create shelf spice holder. Mount vintage food crates horizontally for a charming open box look. Number 4. Chalkboard backed rack. Paint the back panel with chalkboard paint for easy labeling or recipe notes. These designs add texture and personality while celebrating natural imperfections. Small kitchen, no problem. Try these compact builds. Inside cabinet door rack. Mount a shallow wooden rack on the inside of a cabinet door for hidden storage. Fold down rack. Hinge shelf folds up when not in use. Perfect for micro kitchens. Corner spice tower. Use triangular wooden shelves to take advantage of dead corner space. Combined spice and oil station. Add a deeper bottom shelf for olive oil and vinegar bottles. These smart solutions make the most of every inch. Your spice rack can be a design highlight with a few extras. Stain and seal. Choose walnut for richness, oak for brightness, or black stain for dramatic contrast. Glass jar uniformity. Matching spice jars create a clean, high-end look. Labeling. Burned in wood lettering, laser-etched tags, or chalkboard stickers keep everything easy to identify. Accent lighting. Add undershelf LED strips to make spices glow and improve nighttime visibility. A well-styled rack makes cooking feel like an experience. Before you start cutting wood, use food-safe sealants. Protect against moisture and spills without harmful chemicals. Good planning ensures your rack stays safe, functional, and beautiful. And that wraps our tour of wooden wall-mounted kitchen spice holder rack ideas, from classic open shelves to modern magnetic strips. Remember, a spice rack isn't just storage, it is a culinary stage where flavor meets craftsmanship every time you cook. So until next time, happy decorating!